Hello friends, today we are going to discuss polynomial chapter in standard 9th. So welcome in my new class Simple Maths. Hello, my name is GS Pygon and I will introduce you polynomial as standard 9th manner. Today we are going to start simple topic of polynomial. We must know that basic things. Polynomial. Before we start a polynomial, we must know about that simple things of polynomial. That constant, coefficients, variable, mathematical expressions, because polynomial makes an mathematical expressions. So first we must know that constant. What are the constant? Constant which are the fixed values. That value must be fixed. Let me take an example, that is 5. 5 is always 5. In any examples when we take the 5, then 5 the answer or the value of 5 is fixed. Same as a constant is a number on its own, and number that constant which does not change, then it is called as a constant. Constant is are steady, they does not change, they have fixed value. Same opposite as a variable. Variable which are the varies, they are changeable. So the new definition of variable, that a variable is a quantity that may change within the context of mathematical problem or experiment. That variable, then in mathematics, if the value of quantity is not fixed. Let me take an example, that 3x equals to 9. Then the value of x, here 3x equals to 9 is 3, because 3 3s are 9. Same as the 3x equals to 12. Then what value of x, multiplier of 3 is into x equals to 12, then x value is 4. The first example the value of x is 3, and the second example the value of x equals to 4. So x is changing, that varies. First example the value of x is 3 and the second is 4. So x is changing, that is called as variable, which is denoted by x, y, z. After that, when we know that the variable and constant, so when they are comes together, then that makes as an algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer, constant, variable and algebraic operations. Which are algebraic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential by exponent, that is rational number, that the power of the exponent must be rational number. The examples: 3x plus 2y minus 4z equals to 0. So this is an algebraic expression. When we know that algebraic expression, then we must know that the polynomials. Poly, they are many. So many algebraic terms comes together with a constant and variables, that called as a polynomial. So new definition of the polynomial is an expression consisting of a variable and coefficient that involve only the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponent of variable. This is the main definition. And there is a condition that non-negative integer exponent of variable, that is the power of variable must be whole number. So the examples of polynomial in a single indeterminate x, that is variable of x, that is what, x square minus 4x plus 7. When we know that the polynomial in one variable, let me take a one variable, that is what, that equation containing only one variable, that is only x or only y or only t. Polynomial in one variable are algebraic expression that consist of terms in the form of constant and variable, only one variable. Examples: x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7. There is contain only x terms, x variable. Number 2 example, that 3y square plus 5y, it again contain y variable only. T square plus 4, it again contain only t variable. After that, we must know that terms. In algebraic expression, when we break up the algebraic expression, so each part is in terms of that polynomial. So part of an algebraic expression. Let me take an example. X square plus 2x. So there are again, when we parts, that is x square and 2x, there are two parts. So these x square and 2x is called as terms. Same as, let we take another example, 3y square plus 5y plus 7. There again three parts are there, 3y square, 5y, 7. So there are three terms. Terms must be made by constant and variable. So that constant are called as a coefficient. So coefficient definition is, each term of a polynomial has a coefficient, the constant which is a multiplier of a variable. If that, let me take example, upper example, x square plus 2x, then x square is a single variable power 2, but that an coefficient or constant which an here is 1. Same 2x, that x is a variable and 2 is a constant, so 2 is a coefficient of x. Another examples, minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. There are four terms. First terms minus x cube. So variable is x cube and the coefficient is minus 1. 4x square, it again 4 is a constant, x square is an variable. So 7 is a constant coefficient. Next definition, constant of polynomial. Constant polynomial, that is what? Only containing constant terms. So a constant polynomial is the same thing as a constant function. Examples, that is 3 or 0x plus 3. Next is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means what? The constant polynomial 0 is called as zero polynomial. After know that zeroth polynomial, we must know that a degree of the polynomial. Degree, that is the highest power of that variable. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial as the degree of the polynomial. Let me take an example. 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 9. There are four exponents, 7, 6, 1 and 0. The highest power is 7. So the degree of the power polynomial is 7. Next example, that 5y to the power 6 minus 4y square minus 6. That again the power is 6, 2 and 1, 0. So the highest power is 6. Next example, the degree of non-zero constant polynomial must be 0. So in today's session, we know that the polynomial, values of polynomial, terms, constant, variable, algebraic expression. Hope so you are enjoying this video. In next class, we must know that next part of that polynomial. Till then, goodbye.